Okay, so we're running a check disk on this, so we're gonna try to clean up any corrupt files or missing files. And this computer is one of my favorites. This one's actually a ZD7000, and so I'm interested in acquiring any. If you have any laying around that need work and you want to get rid of. And so this one, we've already run SpinRite on it, and so it's in good shape. Yeah, this has got a HP Pavilion ZD7000. And so the built-in hard drive check is takes about 20 minutes in XP. And so if you have any old computers you want to get rid of, particularly this brand and some others I've listed as well, then get a hold of me at eurekarecycler@yahoo.com, or give me a call at 707-445-1591. Thanks.